Hey, John here with Real Hard Reviews. Hope you are having an absolutely fantastic day. Hope you've already seen a couple of our videos today, commented on them, liked, subscribed, you know the whole deal. Before I get into the review itself, make sure to hit up our forums, that's forums.realhardreviews.com, and join up and comment, and just any comment anywhere on there, as long as it's not spam, you're instantly entered into our monthly giveaways. This month it is an NVMe SSD. With that, let's look at today's review. Today's review is the microphone you are hearing right now. It is the Comica CVM V30 Lite. The V30 Lite cardioid condenser microphone, cardioid condenser light microphone, does not have any internal batteries or anything like that. It is using the power of the device you are listening to right now to power this quite fine microphone. It comes in at $39.99 USD or $50 CAD. Other prices may vary wherever you go. Please check out the affiliate link in the description below. It is a decent microphone for its price. It works with both DSLR cameras or cameras that have 3.5mm inputs and any smart device. I tested this with both Android and iPhone and it seems to work perfectly fine. You just have to flick the switch on the back to change it to smartphone or to DSLR, whatever one you were using at the time, and you are off to the races. It is low self-noise as it does not have internal batteries or anything like that, so it's not going to be picking up much interference from that. Again, it is super anti-interference, so it should not pick up a lot, but I have some caveats here I'll get to in a second. It is super cardioid. It's going to pick up a person in front of you or around the front section of it, so if you are interviewing somebody walking around, you should be able to pick up your subject quite well, and it has excellent shock absorbing. So that's the first thing I'm going to jump into. With the design of the V30 Lite, it has a nice plastic rubberized holder that's holding the microphone in place when you mount it up to your camera or whatever you're mounting it to, a gimbal. So unlike Rode mics, which have those elastic bands on them, you don't have to worry about anything breaking or failing on this because it's a quite solid mount. For the cost it is, the mount is quite nice. It is very, very lightweight. So be aware that it feels like you're holding nothing at all because, again, there's no batteries or anything like that with it. It does not sound too bad. It sounds like a $100 or less microphone. As you can hear right now, it does not sound terrible. It does click up random basses that sound like, I've noticed in quite a few of my recordings I could hear it sounded like a quick bass of a step, but there's nobody walking. Or where I have a quick bit of a more echo than normal. And this echo is unexplained at my point, but is very easy to edit out in post. If you're just getting into camera editing, audio editing, this can be a little frustrating, but it is easy to work with and easy to resolve. And at that price, a quick YouTube video for free is going to fix your problem if you're using anything like Adobe Audition or Premiere or any of the free software out there, Audacity or anything like that. You're going to be able to quickly edit out any of the weird audio glitches. Just make sure to do that 5 to 10 seconds of post, just the silence, so you can actually hear what it sounds like and cut out that room noise. So with that, I'm going to stop talking for a couple seconds here. You're just going to hear what the microphone sounds like with a small ambient noise of the fans of my computer going. So with that, hopefully I'm not too loud all of a sudden after that moment of silence. We can hear it does pick up a little bit of noise here and there, and it does have a bit of background fuzz. The static is pretty similar to any other microphone you're going to get in the sub $150 range. It does work quite well, and I'm using this on an A6500 Sony camera, and I don't have a lot of complaints in that part. The price of the microphone, it is good quality for the price. It does get my Real Deal award. It is a very good value, but it also gets a second award for me, and that's the Innovation Award. Because it works so well with two devices, with your DSLR, your cameras, and your smart devices, your smartphones, your tablets, anything like that. Which, let's switch over to that right now, and I'll just finish this review on my smartphone. Now switching over to our Galaxy S8 here, the audio quality is not half bad. I actually did find on Android devices and iOS devices, the sound seemed to be a little better. There's less randomized thumps, and I think that's just because of, I know it says low interference, but there is probably interference coming from the camera itself. With that, what do we get with the Comica CVM V30 Lite, super long name, we get ourselves a user manual. You get the microphone itself. The user manual tells you that you have 1-year warranty, how to plug it in to any of your devices, whether you're going into a camera, how to switch to the mode you require, or going to a high-end phone or any Android device or iOS device. And I prefer to use these with a gimbal. If I had one, it would be very nice. Most gimbals you can use for a smartphone now, if you're a vlogger, you're looking at like $99 to $199, so something quite reasonable. It comes with a thank you for your purchase and a quick support email address, which is really nice to have. They are very supportive and out there to help you. The sales team and the support team are absolutely great at Comica. I really do appreciate them reaching out to us to work with them. And it also comes with a warranty card in English and I believe Chinese. I can't read that, so I'm just assuming. But it does come with a 12-month free repair or full fault swap, which is nice to have. So you fill out your little warranty card, you send it away, or you email them at their support and you register your device and you're good to go. So what do I think of the V30? The V30 is a decent microphone for its price point. It is not going to change the world. It is not going to be the mic I have to use every day, but it is a good quality microphone. It is low cost, $39.99 USD. Affiliate link in the description below, of course. And it's well packaged. It was well sealed. No fear of it being damaged or destroyed in shipping. It looks nice. It looks quite professional. It looks like a lower end or lower cost Rode microphone. It, in all reality, is a decent microphone for any user looking for something that's not going to break the bank and just going to get them recording. I do still think this is a great microphone for people wanting to have a setup for their kids that's not too expensive. They give them their old T3i or T3 Canon camera and buy them a mic like this, and they can start up a YouTube channel. They can start recording. They can learn the basics of video editing. And they're not going to break the bank. And if they drop it, break it, or do something to damage it, you're not so worried as you spent $400 on a new microphone or something. This will also get them into knowing how to edit and post. Again, this video, because it is a mic review, will have no post editing. Just the sound only, because I do not like any review that has any edits to a mic when they were reviewing a mic. People want to know how it's going to sound on Discord, how it's going to sound when you use it, how it's going to sound when you're a newbie just recording a video. Not how it's going to sound when a professional editing team has gone through it. So this is how it sounds out of the box. Do I recommend the Comica V30 Lite? 100%. It's a great microphone for anybody looking for a low-cost microphone. If you're getting to the higher end, it may be something to pass by, but for the lower cost, it is a decent microphone. And the fact that you can use it with your smartphone for vloggers or with your DSLR, again, for vloggers or anybody else who wants to do any high-end video recording or anything else like that, it is absolutely great. If you're a teacher watching this and you run a video department or anything like that, seriously consider this microphone with something like this and a lav mic, a low-cost lav mic. That way you can show your kids how to use multiple audio sources without breaking the bank and to clean up any weird interference and things like that during all recordings. With that, again, we're giving this our Real Deal Award as well as our Innovation Award for just being such a low price and working with devices so fluidly with just having a switch on the back of it. I'm John with Real Hard Reviews. Again, please make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Hit the little bell because we have to do 10 steps now to get anybody to see any of our videos. And hit up our forums. Please comment on the forums for your chance to win this month a NVMe SSD, and every month it changes, but all it takes is a comment a month. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Goodbye.